May pagkatan hapon. Nagbabalik after how many months? Yung tutorial natin ngayon will be imahe of Magnus 7. Chords na gagamitin natin is D major 7. Yan. And C sharp minor. 4th fret except sa upper string. Yan lang. So yung strumming pattern natin para sa D major 7, ayan, Happy New Year, is down, then hammer. Yan. Isang strum lang yung pababa. After that is up. Yan, ulitin ko lang. 2 beses. Next is down, up, down. Yan, pagsamahin lang natin. C sharp minor. Isang strum pababa. And then, yung ring finger natin, papuntang 7th fret ng A string. Ulitin ko lang. Open. Yan. Bali, ganun yung tunog niya. Nasa inyo kung down strum lahat or down, up, down. Yan. Ulitin ko lang. Yan. And then, ulitin lang yung intro. Same sa D major 7. And then, pagdating dito sa C sharp minor, imbis na i-open natin, dadalhin natin siya sa 9th fret. Isang bagsak. Ganun. Pagsamahin lang natin mula umpisa. Ayan. So, ganun siya. And then, yung chords natin yan sa stanza is kamukha lang na kanina sa intro. D major 7 and C sharp minor. Strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Ulitin ko lang. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then shift sa next chord. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yung tunog niya is ganito. Okay, lagyan na natin ng chords. Babagalan ko lang. Again. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down,